How to verify GCash account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on new account over here. After that, we will be able to begin the verification process. You're simply going to enter your birth year over here, your birthday, and your birth month over here. After that, click on OK. And then over here, it will ask you if you are a Filipino, simply select the corresponding one. Let's click on yes and click on confirm. After that, you're going to enter all of this information that you're seeing here. These are very important. So start from first name, middle name, last name, and other information such as email. Then you have your current address over here. You are able to easily select the corresponding answers by simply selecting them. There will be a drop down over here, zip number, permanent address, and so on and so forth. Now, the next step to this would be verifying your ID. So make sure that everything is true and correct, as you can see, because you can no longer edit these details once you sign up. So over here, let me enter some information over here. Now, after entering those information, you're basically just going to review all the information and ensure that all of them is true, and simply click on confirm. After that, you're going to set your MPIN over here. So let's give it a very simple pin over here. Make sure that your pin is secure and something that you could memorize. After that, click on confirm. Now, after all of that process, we could now simply click on verify now to begin the verification. So simply click on verify now. And basically what it will ask us to do is, as you can see here, upload an ID, whether it's a driver's license or a passport. It needs to be a valid ID. And then you're going to simply take a picture of yourself as well. And after that, you should then be able to verify your account after doing this verification process. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.